Hello, good morning. Welcome back again. Today we're going to learn Punjab Thamchung Pong. Okay, Punjab Thamchung Pong. So Punjab means jungle. Okay, Punjab means jungle and Thamchung Pong means animals. Okay, Thamchung Pong means animals. Okay, so in our previous class we had to learn domestic animal, right? Li Thamchung Pong. Okay, so in Li Thamchung Pong, we had learned Ik, Mon, Kuju, Aliu, Sear, Bigu, Biklong. Yes, so today we're going to learn Punjab Thamchung Pong. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you 7 Punjab Thamchung Pong. Okay, so now the first one we have Sir, Suhu. Okay, Sir, Suhu, Suhu. Suhu means in English we call Monkey. Monkey. Suhu in English we call monkey. So in number 2 we have Sir, Sana. Okay, so Sir also start with Sir and Sana also start with Sir. Sana. Sana in English you call B-E-A-R. Bear. Okay, Sana in English you call bear. Okay, so number 3 we have the year a ng. Tiang. The year a ng tiang. Mu tiang mu. So tiang mu means elephant. In English we call elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. So tiang mu means sugar elephant. Okay, so after tiang mu we have her or mu homu. Her or mu homu in English fox. F-O-X fox. Her or mu homu in English fox. Okay. Sehul in English monkey. Senal in English bear. Tiangmul in English elephant. Homu in English fox. So number 5 we have after homu we have sir, the, ong. So thong. Sir, the, ong. So thong. So thong in English tiger. Okay. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. So thong in English tiger. Okay. So after tiger we have number 6. In number 6 we have Sir, Sung, Gi, Gi. Sungi. Sir, Sung, Gi, Gi. Sungi. Okay, king of the jungle. Okay, Sungi in Korean, lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Sorry. Sir, Sung, Gi, Gi. Sungi. Okay, Sir, Sena, Tiangmu, Homu, Suthong, Sungi. Okay, so last one we have number 7 we have Sir, Ke, Sir, Sir in English deer. Okay, D-E-E-R, deer. Okay, Sir in English you call deer. Sehul in English you call monkey. Senal in English bear. Tiangmul in English elephant. Homul in English fox. Sathong in English tiger. Sunghil in English lion. And last one Sir in English deer. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to write the same thing in your exercise copy, Lepcha copy. Okay, and you have to learn this Punjab Thamchung Pong by heart. Okay, so till then, so this much for today. Till then, stay safe and be happy.